Dude.
You good, Dukes?
The temperature's 72 degrees, dude.
Dukes, are you okay, dude? Do you need to go to the hospital?
Brian, I know you're Brazilian, but it is good to have you back.
Kind of sucks, though. I mean, you are never going to find a truck that hard again. You know what the mistake was, moving in together? Well, it's just another life experience, I guess.
Hey, and look on the bright side. Maybe you got another chapter for your book.
Piling off.
Dude, what the fuck is in there? Let's get him to a couch.
He's asleep. He's asleep right now.
Let's get him to a sofa, bro.
Sleep standing. Let's go.
He sleeps standing.
Get on the freaking couch, dude.
Here, do you want to get? Let's get him to the couch, huh?
Dude, walk to the couch.
Dude, how did you even get him in here? Oh! Are you okay, Pat? Oh my god. Alright, stop on the fucking camera. Stop. Dude, I ain't fucking hitting that shit.
What?
I ain't hitting that shit. Are you okay, Pat?